In Flanders fields the poppies blow, between the crosses row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky the lark still bravely singing fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from falling hands we throw, the torch be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep though poppies grow in Flanders fields. Mr. Salavati, in keeping with the war theme, I selected the poem In Flanders Fields by Lieutenant Colonel John McCrae for my final course summative. The poem was written in May 1915, the same time period and the same physical setting used for the novel The Wars. McCrae, a physician in the Canadian Army during World War I, is a soldier who was prompted to write a poem after witnessing the death of a friend. The poem has credibility with the reader because the author is speaking from experience. The author is a soldier. It is fact-based. Soldiers are dying in the battlefield, and it speaks to the emotions of many who are impacted by war. The poem is written in the rondeau form, a form that was not covered in our unit of poetry. According to poets.org, rondeau form is a 15-line poem with a rhyming pattern of A-A-B-B-A, A-A-B-R, A-A-B-B-A-R, the R representing the refrain. The poem consists of 3 stanzas, 5 lines in the first stanza, 4 lines in the second stanza, and 6 lines in the third stanza. Each line in the poem has 4 pairs of syllables, which, by definition, is I'm back tetrameter. The tone of the poem is solemn. The writer gives the dead soldiers a voice. The we are the dead, killed in battle and buried in the fields. Flanders fields, row on row, still bravely singing, saw sunset, loved and were loved, from falling, hold it high and shall not sleep, are examples of the use of alteration throughout the poem. Break faith is an example of the author using assonance for effect. The torch being compared to the duty that is being passed on to the living is an example of the author using a metaphor. The poppies in the fields are symbols of the dead, the blood that was shed in the living that will carry on the battle. The lark symbolized the strength of people to carry on despite what is happening out on the battlefields. The torch is a symbol of duty. In Flanders Fields has become a well-known poem closely associated with Remembrance Day. The poppy has become a symbol of Remembrance Day, a symbol of bloodshed on the battlefields. Wearing a poppy is a symbol of respect for all soldiers, living and dead.